Hi, I'm Gabby from Drunk Elephant, and a product I can't live without is our B-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I love B-Hydra so much because it's lightweight, refreshing, and perfectly hydrates my skin. This formula replenishes skin by delivering steady hydration throughout the day and improving skin's water content. B-Hydra includes pineapple ceramides to help boost luminosity and improve the look of skin's texture and tone. It also has provitamin B5 to help attract and bind moisture to skin, keeping it there for longer. And sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, which penetrates deeper into skin than hyaluronic acid due to its smaller molecular weight, delivering long-lasting hydration. You can use B-Hydra morning or night, or both, which is what I do. Just apply one pump to a clean, dry face, and I actually like to take it down my neck and chest. Because all Drunk Elephant formulas are biocompatible, free of silicones, and highly absorbable, you don't have to worry about layering them in the right order. You can create what we call a skincare smoothie by mixing B-Hydra with any other Drunk Elephant serum or moisturizer. Just mix everything together in the palm of your hand and apply all at once. Mixing and applying a smoothie is so quick and easy. I use B-Hydra in all of mine, both morning and night, because it's so refreshing, hydrating, and versatile. At night, my go-to smoothie is 1 pump of B-Hydra, 1 pump of A-Passione, and 1 pump of Protini cream, and my skin feels quenched, smooth, and healthy. Just like you need to stay hydrated, using B-Hydra every day keeps my skin hydrated and happy. Try it for yourself, and you'll never look back.